Good morning, welcome back. Happy Tuesday. We're going to start with rhyming again. But today I'm going to say 3 words and you have to pick out 2 that rhyme. Ready? Food, mood, fly. Very good. Food and mood rhyme. Soon, soon, so, goon. Very good. Soon and goon. Last one. Top, tool, cool. Very good. Tool and cool. All right. I'm going to say a word. I would like for you to repeat it and then give me the beginning sound. Balloon. Beginning sound. B. Very good. Drool. Beginning sound. Dr. Very good. Smooth. Beginning sound. Very good. All right, now I'm going to break apart a word and I want you to put it back together. Ooh. Moo. Very good. Shook. Very good. I'm sorry, let's start that one over. Woods. Very good. All right, I'm going to say 2 words and I want you to give me the final sound for the 2 of them. Ready? Boom, groom. Very good. Hoop, loop. Very good. Boot, toot. Very good. All right, now I'm going to say a word and I want you to break it apart. Book. Very good. Book. Groom. Groom. Very good. Shampoo. Very good. Shampoo. All right, now I want you to repeat the word after me. Spoonful. Now take away spoon. What do you have left? Full. Very good. Afternoon. Now take away after. What do you have left? Noon. Very good. Last one. Cartoon. Now take away car. What do you have left? Tune. Very good. All right. Have a good rest of your day.